Hey everyone, TechRex here. In this video, guys, I have a really exciting device. This is the Samsung Galaxy S5 Charcoal Black, and I'm really liking. After seeing the shimmery white, I think I like the Charcoal Black much more. Just seeing it in person. But of course, there's still electric blue and the gold or Band-Aid color or whatever. But anyways, in this video, guys, I'm going to be simply doing a knife and hammer test. This is going to be a little bit of an extreme test. Nothing. There's people always say, you know, that it's not something realistic. That's why I just try and put it to the test. How much does it take for the screen to, you know, crack? How much, you know, impact do you need for that to occur? So it's just something that I want to show you guys. And again, it's the Galaxy S5. First here, I have a very, very sharp knife. And I'm just simply going to be going, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see much better. I'm simply going to be going like this on the back cover. Just pretend like I'm just sawing a piece of bacon or something, you know? Just keep doing this. Alright, so we can see that for a very, very sharp knife, did pretty well, but you could still see obviously the visible marks and chips and all over here, especially. Not so much in the middle, but it is now permanent and it is visible. And if I try and I've seen this with the Samsung Galaxy S4, the sides here are really the most vulnerable to this, because if you just, as you can see, a simple mark and that's going to be there forever now. So, and I could just go here across the entire screen and we can see that perfectly fine. Now if we just try the front, obviously we got some pretty good glass, so that's not going to show up as much. In fact, I don't see anything as of right now. So it looks like we're good there. But the back and the side, something you want to be very careful about. Next up, guys, it's the old Nokia hammer. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom a little bit out for this. Take this out of the way. And I'm going to go ahead and start slow, and then progressively I'll try and increase the amount of force I put into this. So let's go ahead and first just drop. Simply drop the hammer. That was about maybe just a couple inches, but you can see absolutely nothing. Glass stood up to it. Let's try that one more time. And again, nothing. So now I'm going to start actually using some force. And I'm going to start actually right in the middle. So two kind of small to medium hits, nothing. And there you go. You just need a little bit more power and you will see the crack. So now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to hammer this guy all the way to its death. Michael!
What?
Get some Febreze or something.